Ready? As soon as may be after the commencement of this act, comma, the government shall by an order published in the official gazette establish the university to be known as the King Edward Medical University, comma, Lahore, comma, by reconstituting the King Edward Medical College, comma, Lahore, full stop. The university shall consist of the chancellor, comma, the pro chancellor, comma, the vice chancellor, comma, the pro vice chancellor, and members of the senate, comma, the syndicate, comma, the academic council, and all other authorities, full stop. The university shall be a body corporate and shall have perpetual succession and a common seal, and may issue and be issued by the said name, full stop. The university shall be competent to acquire and hold property both movable and immovable, and may lease, comma, sell or otherwise alienate any movable and immovable property which vests in or has been acquired by it, full stop. Consequent upon the order published under subsection 1, comma, the post or office of the principal, comma, King Edward Medical College, comma, Lahore shall be upgraded to that of the vice chancellor, comma, and all properties, comma, rights and interests of whatever kind, comma, used, comma, enjoyed, comma, possessed, comma, owned or vested in or held in trust by or for the King Edward Medical College, comma, Lahore, comma, and all liabilities legally subsisting against it shall stand transferred to the university, full stop. The university shall perform the following functions, comma, namely to provide for instruction in such teaching subjects, comma, disciplines or branches of learning at graduate or postgraduate level as it may deem fit, comma, and to make provision for research and the advancement and dissemination of knowledge in such manner as it may determine, semicolon, to prescribe or identify courses of studies to be conducted by it and the faculties to hold examinations and to award and confer degrees, comma, diplomas, comma, certificates and other academic distinctions to and on persons who have been admitted to and have passed its examinations, semicolon, to confer honorary degrees or other distinctions on persons approved, therefore to provide for persons having received education slash training in other institutions, comma, such instructions as it may determine, comma, and to award degrees, comma, diplomas or certificates to such persons, semicolon, to confer degrees on persons who have carried on independent research under certain conditions, to inspect constituent institutes slash faculties for the purpose of admission to the university, comma, recognize the examination passed and the periods of study spent by students at other universities and places of learning as equivalent to such examinations and periods of study in the university, and to withdraw such recognition in appropriate cases after giving notice to the concerned student, semicolon, to coordinate with other universities and public authorities in such manner, and for such purposes as it may determine, to create posts of professors, associate professors, assistant professors and demonstrators, and other posts for research, publication, extension, administration and other related purposes, and to appoint persons thereto, to confer or award fellowships, scholarships, bursaries, medals and prizes as may be prescribed, to establish teaching departments, schools, colleges, faculties, institutes, museums and centers of excellence, including area study center and other centers of learning for the development of teaching and research, and to make such arrangements for their maintenance, management and administration as may be prescribed, full stop.